This one is a woods and trails video to see if my Z950 Sport can keep up with and go the same places as Gary's RZR XP 1000. Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Justin. Today we are going to do the last of the videos that Gary and I shot out at MauMee. This one is a woods and trails video to see if my Z950 Sport can keep up with and go the same places as Gary's RZR XP 1000. We had a great time out there. We'll probably be heading back out there fairly soon, I would think. MudTraxx, a little update. I just got an email. MudTraxx will be at one of the UTV takeovers coming up. So I literally just got the email. So stay tuned for that. Maybe I'll see some of you guys out there. But let's get into the video. First get into it. It's kind of me leading and just kind of showing Gary around a little bit. We kind of, jot off the short track into part of the woods track, and then we hit the trails. There were a couple good challenges out there, some rutted out stuff that, was pretty angled and kind of tippy, but just shows off how well Z-Force is balanced. Blake and I were actually just talking the other day about it. Because there is that space between the diff and the motor versus like on a Polaris where they're butted right up together, a lot of that weight is almost like it's almost like mid-engine, you know what I mean? So it changes, where the center of gravity, the center of balance is on these machines. That really does wonders out on the trails and when you're riding, especially on some steep stuff or, some stuff that's just, you maybe have to take a turn or something while trying to navigate it, something that's a little more difficult than just, flat trail riding. So, but let's get into this, see if the CFMoto keeps up. have it. As you saw, the CFMoto Z950 Sport had absolutely no issues keeping up with Gary's RZR. Went everywhere his went. We didn't get in any kind of deep mud or mud holes or anything like that. We will be doing that soon, but we didn't that day. We were already, you know, filming enough, and we were we had to get back. We were on a bit of a time crunch, so filmed and shot what we could in the time that we had. So this is what we came up with as far as starting off this whole comparison between the two machines. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching. Thank you to my subscribers. Thank you to my new subscribers. Thank you to everyone out there who has watched or liked or commented on a video or bought MudTraxx products. Show me support in any kind of way. You guys have no idea how much I appreciate each and every single one of you. I just can't thank you enough. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you want to see. A review and giveaway coming up. Probably the very next video that you'll see. Some other exciting stuff happening. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day, and we will see you in the next one.